कहां तक लिखा था? यू हैव रिटन अप टू वेयर?
सर अंडरलाइन तक।
Underline tak. Okay. So we were discussing about the discrete random variable. In the topic random variable, we have two different random variables. One of the random variable is discrete random variable, which is countably infinite, or it is taking the finite number. Secondly, it is a continuous random variable, which is non-countably infinite number of values. And for discrete random variable, we had started with the discussion of probability function or probability mass function. Secondly, the condition for that probability mass function is f of x must be greater than equal to 0, and summation of this f of x must be equal to 1 for all values of x. Secondly, this example was completed wherein the random variable is defined as number of heads square minus number of tails. This is the random variable, number of heads square minus number of tails. So accordingly we have added, and we have seen that it is equal to, summation is equal to 1. The second terminology which is associated with the continuous random variable is distribution function, or it is also called as cumulative distribution function for discrete random variable. In this case, we have to write down the value for between minus x to x. So minus infinity to first value, it will be always 0. From first value but less than second value, it will be the first probability function or corresponding probability. For the second value but less than third value, it will be cumulative addition of first plus second. Up to nth value till infinity or less than infinity, it will be summation of all the nth probabilities or n values of probabilities, and its summation is equal to 1. Is this point clear? So this is what we will be calling it as a distribution function, which is given by capital F of x. Now I have calculated the probability mass function or probability function small f of x for the given particular example, which is minus 204. For the same example, I will be this distribution. The way of making a chart is nothing but the probability distribution or probability mass function for the discrete random variable. For the same example, I will be now trying to define the probability distribution function, and distribution function is given by capital F of x. If probability distribution is readily available with me, this is our probability distribution which we have generated from the given data or from the given random variable. From this table, it is very simple for me to write down the distribution function. क्या रूल है राइटिंग डाउन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन का? माइनस इंफिनिटी टू फर्स्ट वैल्यू. What is first value over here in the random variable?
-2.
-2. So minus infinity less than x less than -2. See, infinity is never known value, तो उसको कभी इक्वल टू में नहीं लिखते क्योंकि infinity is undetermined. It is infinitely large value. That value is not known. So we will never write down infinity के वक्त equal to. For other numbers I can write down equal to, because infinity को equal to अगर लिखा, it cannot be substituted. Therefore infinity, whenever there is in the interval, we will use the notation or symbol strictly less than. We cannot or never use the symbol less than or equal to in case of infinity. And here we have to restrict ourselves strictly up to the first value. What is the first value of the interval? -2. So from minus infinity less than x less than -2, what is the value? What is the value? Is the value existing up to -2? No. So value of the distribution function capital F of x will be 0. Now you start from the first value, that is -2. So what is over here? x1 less than equal to x less than x2. So -2 less than equal to x less than the second value, strictly less than 0. X is greater than equal to -2. So for equal to -2, what is the value of probability? 1/4. So for this particular interval, how I have written down the distribution function? It is 1/4. For 0 less than equal to x but strictly less than 4, take the summation 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 giving you? 3 by 4. And lastly, x greater than equal to 4 but strictly less than infinity, sum of all 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, that is giving you the answer as 1. So this is the way or pattern of writing down the distribution function capital F of x for the given probability function or probability mass function given by small f of x. This table we have obtained with the help of the data or the random variable which was defined in the question, and after that with the help of that probability distribution I will be calculating the probability distribution function. This is called as distribution function or cumulative distribution function. Is this point clear to everybody? ये बात क्लियर हुई क्या? कैसे लिखा है अपन ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन? Yes. Is this clear? On the parallel lines of this, we have written this capital F of x. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we move ahead? Can we move ahead? Are you all people writing down simultaneously or going ahead with me? Yes?
Sir, going ahead.
Okay, fine. Next example. What is the example? Let x be the random variable giving number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. Find probability, mass function f of x, distribution function capital F of x. Also draw the graphs of f of x and capital F of x. Here we have to define the random variable as capital X. What is that random variable defined by? That random variable is defined by number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. Now tell me, what are the possible outcomes when a coin is tossed 3 times or 3 coins are tossed simultaneously? One and the same thing? Yes, in probability we know the outcome is going to be same whenever we toss 3 coins simultaneously or a coin is tossed 3 times. So how is the way of writing? How we calculate the total number of outcomes?
Sir, 2 to the power n.
Yes, 2 to the power n. What are the possible outcomes here? 2, head and tail. But how many coins are tossed here? 3 coins are tossed. So how many possible outcomes will be there? 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. Means total number of possible outcomes in this particular case is 2 cube, which is 8. So in this case, how to write down the possible outcomes? You must have learned the pattern of writing down 4 times h, t. पता है क्या this way of writing down? Then 2 times h, 2 times t,
Yes.
2 times h, 2 times t, and then it will be single h, single t, single h, single t. Clear? I hope this is the correct way of writing down the possible outcome for the head and tail. See here, how many possible outcomes are there? HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, and TTT. Now, what is our random variable defined? What is our random variable defined? Random variable is number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. What is the possibility of coming out as head when a coin is tossed 3 times or 3 tosses of a fair coin is conducted? Either how many heads? What is the minimum and maximum possibility of head coming out as?
Sir, 1 and 3.
1 and 3 only? Only
Sir,
possibilities?
1 to 3.
Only 1 to 3? क्यों? There ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि there is no head.
Oh, yes, sir. 0, 1,
Yes,
2.
when all the coins will have as tail as the outcome, there will be no head. So what is the value random variable taking? I have to calculate x as a random variable which will be giving the number of heads in tossing of a coin. So what are the possibilities for heads to come out? Either it will be 0 head, it will be 1 head, it will be 2 head, or it will be 3 head. This is the condition where it will be 3 heads. This is the condition where it will be 2 head. This is the condition where it will be 1 head. This is the condition where there will be no head. All the outcomes are tails. So in this case, our random variable takes the value by defining x as the number of heads as x equal to 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now my job is to calculate the probability distribution or probability mass function for the given random variable, which is 0, 1, 2, and 3. What are their probabilities denoted by? For a random variable x, their probabilities are denoted by capital f, small f of x. The distribution function will be denoted by capital F of x. अभी अपन ने देखा how we write down the distribution function for the given random variable x whose probability distribution in the tabular form or the chart form is available. I hope the outcomes are clear, how to write down the outcomes and get the sample space. Is this point clear when the three coins are tossed?
Yes, sir.
So what are the total possible outcomes? 8. 2 cube is 8. So sample space contains 8 outcomes. Random variable x is denoted by number of heads which are 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now calculate the probability for x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what is the possible outcome? Probability of TTT is the only case wherein there is no head, and what is the probability of that? Probability of that outcome is 1 out of 8. Is this clear? Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what is the probability when there is one head? What are the possible outcomes when there is one head? This is the possible outcome, this is the possible outcome, and this is the possible outcome. So how many outcomes are there out of total 8 outcomes for x is equal to 1? 3 outcomes are there. This plus this plus this. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. What is the probability for x is equal to 1? The probability is 3 by 8. What is the probability for x is equal to 2? 2 heads is this outcome, and this outcome. So how many outcomes are there again? 3 out of 8. So the probability for x is equal to 2. The random variable x is equal to 2. The probability comes out to be 3 by 8. And what is the probability for x is equal to 3, which is the number of heads coming out as 3? Only one possibility is there. So we will be having the one outcome. And what is the probability for that? The probability for that is 1 by 8. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we are calculating the probability function for the given random variable. Probability function is denoted by small f of x. Small f of x यानी क्या? It is actually the probability which is representing that random variable, and that particular random variable is nothing but the notation or the real number used for a certain outcome. अगर आपने देखा होगा आउटकम ऑफ द सैंपल स्पेस इज टीटीटी. ये टीटीटी के लिए जो रैंडम वेरिएबल है रियल नंबर वो क्या है? 0. और ये 0 की करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या डिफाइन किया गया है, ये कैलकुलेट किया गया है 1 by 8. तो अल्टीमेटली 1 by 8 is the probability of random variable x is equal to 0. But x is equal to 0 यानी क्या है? Certain sample point of the sample space. तो आई क्या रिलेशन समझ में कि आउटकम पर से अपन रैंडम वेरिएबल पे कैसे आते हैं, एंड फ्रॉम रैंडम वेरिएबल हाउ वी डिफाइन द प्रोबेबिलिटी फंक्शन और द प्रोबेबिलिटी. This is how the condition is. Now, once all the values are known to us, I will write down the probability function. So, probability function small f of x is given by, for capital X, the random variable is 0, 1, 2, 3, and its corresponding f of x is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. यहाँ तक clear हुआ? So, one of the question, whatever they have demanded, क्या बोला है? Find the probability mass function small f of x. Now what is the second quantity I have to calculate? The distribution function capital F of x. Now it is convenient to us if this probability mass function or probability function is available. It becomes very simple for us to write down the probability distribution function. So distribution function is capital F of x, which is given by What is the starting value of the random variable?
0.
So from minus infinity to 0, what will be the value on in the distribution function?
0.
0. From 0 to second value, 0 less than equal to x means x is greater than equal to 0 but strictly less than 1. Greater than equal to 0 means for 0 what is the value? What is the value for 0? It is 1
1
by
by
8. So for this interval it will be written as 1 by 8. For 1 less than equal to x less than 2, 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. What is 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8? 4 by 8. What is 4 by 8 equal to? 1 by 2. Clear? For 2 less than equal to x less than 3. For 2 less than equal to means for 2 less than 3. It will be 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So what is 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8? What is it? 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is
7 by
7 by 8. So here what is the value written as? क्योंकि यहां तक का टोटल कितना था 4 by 8 एंड यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे 3 by 8. So 4 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is 7 by 8. Lastly, x is greater than equal to 3 but less than infinity. 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8. What is the value? 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8. 8 by 8 and that is equal to 1. I told you in distribution function, first value will always be 0 and last value will always be 1 because probability never exceed 1. Small f of x over summation is always equal to 1. There is no other value greater than 1. Greater than 1 कोई भी value नहीं रहेगा हमेशा probability का. So once the probability function f of x is generated, it is very simple to me for writing down the probability distribution function. So distribution function is very easy or convenient to write with the help of this distribution chart or probability function f of x or probability mass function small f of x. In this question, additionally they have asked us to find out or draw the graphs of it. So how to draw the graphs of it? Small f of x के लिए, if I have to portray it on the coordinate axis, this will be your random variable x and this will be your corresponding f of x. ठीक है, कहां कहां से वैल्यू स्टार्ट हो रहा है कैपिटल एक्स रैंडम वेरिएबल का? 0 1 2 3 एंड 4. नहीं 4 नहीं है, ओनली 0 1 2 3 एंड हियर इट इज गोइंग अप टू 1 बट बीच में रास्ते कैसे हैं? 1 by 8 2 by 8 3 by 8 4 by 8 5 by 8 6 by 8 7 by 8 8 by 8 which is 1. So likewise you draw on the x-axis the values of random variables 0 1 2 3 and on the corresponding y-axis which we are taking it as small f of x 0 1 by 8 2 by 8 3 by 8 4 by 8 5 by 8 and accordingly up to 7 by 8. So 0 के लिए value कितना है? What is the value for 0? 1 by 8. What is the value for 1? 3 by 8. What is the value for 2? 3 by 8. What is the value for 3? Again 1 by 8. So how it will be drawn? It will be the bar chart or the histogram for the probability mass function or the probability function which is given by small f of x. This is the graphical representation of small f of x. What does this signifies? This signifies that summation of all f of x is equal to 1. So bar chart, it is clear that sum of the ordinates is 1 and sum of the areas is summation f of x over x is equal to 1. So this is this we are not concerned about. We will be drawing only this graph when it is asked. So this is the graph of small f of x. Now how will be the graph of capital F of x? How is the capital F of x defined? Capital F of x is defined as in the interval form. Interval form means what are the random variables available to us? Random variables are available as 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will be drawing it on the x-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3. I will be having the values of capital F of x as 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8. This is 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. This is 5 by 8. This is 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. है ना, वैसे ही वैल्यूज है यहाँ पर. Now between the interval minus infinity to 0, what is the value of the distribution function? 0. यानी up to 0, what is the value from minus infinity? It is 0. यानी यहां तक वो 0 आ गया आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन का, माइनस इंफिनिटी से 0 तक. नाउ व्हाट इज द इंटरवल? 0 to 1, and in the interval 0 to 1, what is the value? 1 by 8. So this is interval 0 to 1 and value is 1 by 8. This is in the interval 0 to 1 and this particular distance is 1 by 8. I hope this is clear how we have drawn. ये बात समझ में आई क्या बेटा?
Yes, sir.
For the interval minus infinity to 0 कुछ नहीं है, यानी ये 0 है. From the interval 0 to 1, the value takes as 1 by 8. From the interval 1 to 2, the value takes as 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2 शायद. So accordingly, this is the step. And this distance is 3 by 8. 1 by 8 से ऊपर कितना distance है ये? 3 by 8 का distance है. So 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 होता है 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. क्लियर. फिर 1 to 2 हो गया. 2 to 3 में कितना डिस्टेंस है? अगेन 3 by 8, so which is 7 by 8. And from 3 to infinity it is infinite. And how much is the distance it is covering? 1 by 8. So this is how, in the form of ladder or in the form of steps, we will be defining or drawing the distribution function of capital F of x. So capital F of x, the graph of capital F of x is distributed in the same manner. Between 0 to 1, it is 1 by 8. Between 1 to 2, this distance is 3 by 8. Between 2 to 3, again this distance is 3 by 8. So stepwise in the interval, we find out the values for 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to infinity. So from this, we can easily find out the values for we can easily draw the graph for corresponding capital F of x. Is this point clear to everybody? Is this point clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fine. So how to draw the graphs of F of x and small f of x and capital? यही पूछा था. Find the probability mass function small f of x, find the probability distribution function capital F of x, and also draw the graphs of f of x, that is small f of x and capital F of x. So we have calculated the probability mass function, that is probability function small f of x. We have calculated the distribution function capital F of x in the given interval, and also we have drawn the graph. स्मॉल एफ ऑफ एक्स के लिए ये बार डायग्राम जैसे रहेगा, एंड फॉर कैपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स इट विल बी अ स्टेप्स because it is defined in the interval. So accordingly, this will be the graph of capital F of x, right? The next example, what we want to do is this: a discrete random variable capital X has the following probability function. What is the probability function for the discrete random variable given by? The probability function for the discrete random variable x is given by the random variables are defined from value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is their corresponding probability f of x? 0k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square and 7k square plus k. So find the value of k and probability for x greater than equal to 6. In this particular example, they have asked me to find the value of k, which is not given over here, and also find the probability for x greater than 6. Abhi, which kind of random variable they are saying over here? What kind of random variable it is? Discrete random variable. Obviously, up till now we have not discussed anything about continuous random variable. We have discussed about only discrete random variable. So this is an example. अगर वैसा नहीं भी दिया होता, still how you can identify 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are countable numbers. So this is a condition or a case of discrete random variable and not a case of continuous random variable, right? So here I have to find the value of k. What is this k? K is nothing but the values in the probability. And what is the condition of the f of x in this distribution function or the mass function? क्या होता है? What is the f of x taking the value finally as
Sir, 1. Summation of x.
Summation of x over f of x is 1. I will be using that condition. What is it? Probability function is f of x. It is always greater than or equal to 0. Means k will also be greater than or equal to 0. So summation over f of x for all x is equal to 1. How many x are given? 8 values are given. Add them together. Take the summation. 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. What kind of equation it will be? Quadratic equation. How many roots are there for the quadratic equation? 2 roots are there for the quadratic equation. So as one of the value of k comes out to be 1 by 10, other value of k comes out to be -1. But is -1 a root for this? No, because k is always greater than or equal to 0, because k is nothing but representing the probability, and probability का value हमेशा क्या होता है? Greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. So I will be discarding or neglecting the negative sign. Therefore, since k is greater than 0, excluding k is equal to -1, what is the required value for k? The required value for k is 1 by 10. So यहाँ पर जो result पूछा गया था, find the value of k. What is the value of k? The value of k is 1 by 10. Probability for x greater than 6. What is the number x greater than 6 available with us?
7.
7. So what is the corresponding f of x for 7 given by 7k square plus k. अभी अपन ने k का वैल्यू निकाला. x greater than 6 के लिए means it is equal to 7. And what is the value for k we have calculated? The value of k what we have calculated is 1 by 10. So square करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So what is the answer for the probability? 17 by 100, or I can take it as 0.17. So what is the probability for x equal to 7? Probability for x equal to 7 is 17 by 100, means 0.17. हमेशा the value of probability will be less than 1. जब जब न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा रहेगा, value will always be less than 1. 4 by 8 ले लो, value will be less than 1. 2 by 4 ले लो, value will always be less than 1. So in all such cases, the probability is less than or equal to 1. So x greater than 6 के लिए only one condition was there, x equal to 7. अगर यहाँ पर और एक वैल्यू होता for 8, so x greater than 6 के लिए कौन सा कंसिडर करते? x equal to 7 and x equal to 8. I hope this example is clear related to the discrete random variable. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is all regarding the discrete random